vibe coding in Google AI Studio. So I was able to build this fitness coach AI using vibe coding, okay, right in Google AI Studio, the future that is vibe coaching AI without actually doing anything myself. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do the exact same thing. Go to Google and then search for Google AI Studio and then hit enter. Come and then select the official site of Google AI Studio. It's going to bring you right here to the Google AI Studio platform. Come and then click on the home, and then from the home page, you're going to find this feature called the Vibe Coaching AI apps. Come and then click on it to select it. And then over here, you can come and build any app using Gemini in the form of vibe code. Okay, so over here you can simply come here and then come and then click on the settings icon, and then you can come and then select the Gemini type that you want by simply coming here and then you click on the down arrow. Okay, so over here I'm simply going to go with the default, and that is Gemini 2.5 Pro. That's what I'm going to use to vibe code. And come and click on the close, and that is it. Over here, you can come and then supercharge your apps with AI, and then you can come and then add any of these features to your app. So actually, I'm simply going to build AI chatbots. So I'm going to select that one, and from here you see that it has been added. That is AI powered chatbot. You simply have to come and then describe your app idea right here. If you don't have one, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it using vibe coding. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on the Google AI Studio, and then over here, come here to where we have the chat, come and then click on it. So from here, you have to come and then select the model that you want to vibe code with. Simply come and then select Gemini 2.5 Pro, and over here, simply come and then start with Hi Gemini, okay? And then come and then click on the submit. That is the first thing you can start with vibe code. Okay, so as you can see, Gemini has responded, and now it's just come and then ask Gemini to give you ideas that you want to build. Okay, so we just ask Gemini to give you any app idea that you can build, and then after that, come and then send it, and then you see that Gemini is going to give you some creative app ideas just like this. Okay, so we have educational, we have health, and then I like the health, so I'm simply going to select the AI fitness coach app. Okay, and then I'm simply going to tell Gemini to give me a prompt that I'll be able to use to create the AI fitness coach app right in Google AI Studio. That is it. Okay, you just ask for the prompt, you submit it, and then Gemini is going to give you the full prompt to actually use to build your app, and that is it. So this is the prompt. Simply come and then click on the copy to copy it. Okay, so after you copy it, simply, as you can see, it has been copied. Simply come here and then come here to the home again. That is where you're going to find the vibe coaching AI apps. Come and select it, and then make sure that you add the AI feature. So mine is AI powered chatbot. I'll click on it to add it, and then all that you have to do after adding it is to come and then paste it. Okay, paste the prompt, and then over here scroll up, and then come and then remove the instructions. So as you can see how to use this prompt, Google AI Studio, simply come and then highlight the whole thing, and then remove it from the prompt, and then come and then click on the build. That is it. Okay, so Gemini is going to build your app for you. So as you can see, you can come and then click on full screen, and I have my app, that is my Fitbot, that is my fitness coach bot, and it is working perfectly fine with the use of vibe coding. Okay, I can simply come and then test it, and as you can see, it is working perfectly fine. So this is how to do it. So to leave full screen, we'll come and then click on this, and then now let's come here. You can come and then ask Gemini to make any changes that you want. You can come and then click on back to start, and then from here you see that you have your apps here. When you click on it, you see the app that you have created. Okay, so you see that created by you. When you select it, you see the app that you have created right here. So this is the app, and then when you click on it, it's going to open. So this is actually how to vibe code in Google AI Studio. Like the video, and then see you in my next video.